How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a gorgeous 67 Mustang GTA 390 Fastback. Super nice car. California built car. Spent most its life in California. Original Acapulco Blue. So all the bumpers, the grill, everything on this car is very nice. This is a true survivor. About 75% of the car still got the original factory paint on it. Tell you, the Acapulco Blue with the white stripes, just good looking car. That's the factory color in the car. We got Marty report on it. Original bill of sale, owner's manual. Just a super nice car. And to find one this nice, hard to do. This is out of a personal collection, a good friend of mine. It's got the power steering, power disc brakes. It's the numbers match. 390. It's been rebuilt, all back to factory specs. This car is just super nice. Very clean car. Underneath this car, you can see in the pictures, it's just got all the original primer under it. The interior in the car is just perfect. Headliners like brand new. It's got the fold down rear seat. Beautiful car, guys. There's no cracks or anything in the dash. Super nice car. Tell you, this is one I'd like to get and just keep in my personal collection, but can't keep them all. I got a barn full now, and still, it's got the original sticker behind the license plate there. You never see that stuff. And the paint on the car is just beautiful. There's no really flaws other than a few minor stone chips, you know, from being driven a little bit. See the back seat and everything's all real nice. You know, and most of this, all the interior is a factory original. Not got a bunch of reproduction stuff in it. This is all your original equipment. Very well taken care of over the years. It's a documented 3-owner car. Original owner owned it till '89. Everything in this car works. Choke and everything works. It's a little chilly out today. See, it idles down real nice. Tell you, and this car drives and rides perfect. These 67 Fastback Mustangs are very desirable. See it idled all the way down now. It's got the factory exhaust on the car, all the correct tips. Car's not been modified and cut up at all, never has been. It's just a super solid, clean, nice car. Get in this car, take it to all your shows, enjoy it, and check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day.